Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. Darul Arqam School, Holy Town Campus, Islamabad. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Grade 3, Social Studies. Page number 5. Now we will start the remaining lesson which we have read in the last video. On page number 5, our next topic is the moon. Most of the planets also have moons circling around them. Our planet Earth has only one moon. The moon revolves around the Earth. It takes 29.5 days to complete one full revolution around the Earth. This period is called a lunar or Islamic month. The moon has no light of its own, it just reflects the light of the sun. There is no air and water on the moon. So, as like the earth which revolves around the sun, and that revolution completes in 365 days or 1 year. Similarly, the moon of our planet Earth revolves around our Earth. As you can see in the picture, here is the sun around which the earth revolves on its own orbit, and here is the moon of our planet Earth which revolves on its own orbit around the earth. And this revolution of the moon around our planet Earth is completes in 29.5 days. And what it causes the Islamic months. Okay, one revolution of the moon around the earth completes in one Islamic month. All right, and when new moon appears, there will be new Islamic month. And what are that Islamic months? Like Muharram, Safar, all these months are come with the revolution of this moon. All right, so this was our lesson, first unit 1, solar system, which we have completed today. And now we will start our workbook work of this lesson. So for that you have to take out your workbooks of SST. SST workbook class 3. Here you have to write your name and section. Then, as today we will start our new and the first lesson of our workbook, so you have to open page number 2. On page number 2, the unit is the solar system. My interpretation. Okay, cut out the planets, glue them in correct order. Cut out are given on page number 57. So it's page number 2. You have to open page number 57, and then what you have to do? You have to cut out these planets. Just a minute. Open page number 57. Here is the page number 57. Alright, on your SST's workbook, you have to cut out these boxes. You have to for example, you have to cut out Uranus, and for that you have to cut this box and paste it on the place of the Uranus. Okay, first planet is Mercury, so you have to cut out Mercury from here, and then paste this box in the number 1 in this box. Paste here Mercury, and then cut out the second planet, Venus, and paste it here in number 2. Then at third box you have to cut out Earth, planet Earth box, and paste it here. And after that you have to cut out Mars from here and paste it here. Then cut out Jupiter box and paste at number 5. Then Uranus box and paste that at number 6. Sorry, you have to cut Saturn and paste on number 6, and then cut out Uranus and paste at number 7, and after that cut out this Neptune and paste in the box of number 8. So this is how you have to complete this page. Now open page number 3. Our first question is, choose the correct answer. Number 1. Dash is the brightest planet in the solar system. Options are A. Mars, B. Mercury, and C. Venus. So the right option is Venus. Venus is the brightest planet in the solar system. Number 2. Mars is the dash planet from the sun. Options are A. 4th, B. 3rd, C. 5th. And the right option is 4th. So you have to circle option A and write 4th in the blank. Number 3. Our planet Earth has dash moon. Options are 2, 1 or 3. So the right option is 1. You have to circle B and write 1 here. Number 4. Sunlight is important for animals, plants, both A and B. So sunlight is important for everything. So you have to circle option C, both A and B. Question number 2. Match column A with column B. You have to match the column A with column B, as you can see in the video. The first one is, the sun gives us heat and light. The lunar month is also called an Islamic month. The earth is our planet. There is no air and water on the moon. Planets move around the sun. Question number 3. Label sun, moon and earth in the following orbit. So you have to label sun, moon and earth. Here you have to write sun. This is earth, so its arrow is here. So you have to write earth here. This is moon, its arrow is here, so you have to write moon here. Now move on to the next workbook, page number 4. Question number 4. What is meant by the revolution of the earth? So revolution is that when earth rotates around the sun, that is called revolution. So write down the answer here. Earth moves around the sun. This movement is called revolution of the earth. After that you have to put full stop here, and you have to write date and day on every page. This movement is Question number 5. What is meant by the rotation of the earth? The earth moves on its own axis, full stop. This movement is called rotation of the earth. Then put full stop here. Question number 6. Describe the sun. The sun is a bright star. It is made up of hot gases. It gives us heat and light. So these are 3 sentences here in the description of the sun. Question number 7. Describe the moon. The moon revolves around the earth. The moon has no light of its own. It just reflects the light of the sun. So this is the answer description of the moon. Now move on to the next page. Page number 5. Understand the questions and answers accordingly. Question number 1. If the earth were closer to the sun, options are: the temperature would be much hotter. B. The oceans would dry up. C. We could not survive. D. All of the above. So the right option is D. You have to circle D. Question number 2. Look at the sequence of the planet and tell which planet is closest in size to the earth. So if we check out the solar system, The planet that is closest in size to the Earth is Venus. So you have to write answer. Venus is closest in size. Written project. What is the ordinate number of each planet? So you have to write sequence number of each planet at the bottom of every planet. So first planet is Mercury, so you have to write 1 here. Second planet is Venus, write 2 here. Third is Earth, write 3 here. Fourth is Mars, write 4 here. Fifth is Jupiter, write 5 here. Sixth is Saturn. Seventh is Uranus and eighth is Neptune. So these are all planets in the solar system. On the next page, there is the homework page, page number 6. So you have to do this page on your own self. So students, this was our lesson. This was our today's video. Hope you get all the points. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.